Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you how to edit your TikTok photos duration. With this tutorial, you'll be able to edit your videos way better than before. So let's open TikTok and then tap on the plus button at the bottom to make a video. Now that we're here, we're gonna upload some photos. But before we do that, tap on select multiple. So let's just use these. And then tap on auto cut, or tap on these and then tap on auto cut, and it's gonna cut itself. To the perfect length, and it's actually gonna edit itself. So that's pretty cool. And if you add more pictures, you're gonna have an option here to edit all of those, and you can edit yourself, you can transform it, you can use transitions for it, and it's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.